meeting, and look, I'm over here. I done took over her channel, y'all. But anyway.
So we are going to try the Fenty Beauty Blur Skin Tint. Eavesdrop Blur Skin Tint. Now this is the color 21. Now like you saw before, I bought the KVD Tan 74. That's what they said was my color, and it was not, so I had to take it back. I loved it, couldn't wear it. So I had to take it back, and I'm at my niece's house now, and she purchased the Fenty Beauty, and I don't have any foundation, so I'm going to try her Fenty. And I think we were the same color. We tried them on at the store, and I think mine was a 21 too. So I'm gonna try it. She just put it on, and it looked bussin'. It looked good, and so I'm gonna put it on so I can look good too. But first, I'm gonna prime. I already prepped my face, moisturize, all of that. But I'm gonna add some primer. This is like the dupe to Milk, supposedly, and there's another one from e.l.f. that's a dupe, like a jelly, hydro jelly primer, and I'm gonna try it, and we'll see. Oh, it's really jelly. Oh God.
You only need a little bit.
Okay.
Not that, like this, like a little.
Like this?
Like a pinch.
A pinch? Okay, y'all. So she told me I gotta use a little bit. I never use the milk one, but she loves it.
A lot goes a long way.
A lot goes a long way. And so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna just dab like in the little T-zone area, especially like where you that usually gets like messed up a lot. Yeah. Gonna go right here and right there. You know, up in there, and then I'll push it out like that. Push it out. I think my light too bright as usual. Okay, and I can't see y'all because I ain't got my glasses on. I don't know how people do their makeup with no glasses on, knowing they can't see. Does the milk one, it has this jelly consistency like this?
Yeah,
it
like,
does.
But like, so get like it reminds me of like Elmer's glue, like when it dry down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's like. Like, so you know how the glue is all goopy.
Yeah.
But then when it dries on your face, it's like.
Yeah, I got you. And so y'all, I use more like primers, but I just never used milk before, and this is like real jelly, y'all. It's like, in my hand, it don't work. No. Okay.
Yeah, but you know how that video with that girl's like, my hair, it don't move. You about to be like, my makeup, it don't move.
Ooh. It was gelling up out of here. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Get up in there, cause I never used it before, but it might be something. Might be onto something. I'm sure it's pretty old, but it might be onto something. You know, milk is like 30, and this is like 16. So yeah. So once that settled down, we're gonna put this Fenty on. No, we're not gonna put the Fenty on. I need to conceal because I have stuff on my face. I have dark spots. She has no dark spots. You know, so she ain't gotta put none on her face.
Stop it.
I'm looking like, what I'm looking like. Oh, don't tell me I ain't bringing my concealer. Don't y'all hate like when you go to somebody's house and you forget something? Oh, no.
You probably didn't think you was gonna need it.
Oh, no. Because that good apple was supposed to do me right. I ain't got it.
Well, so you could just do a wear test with the regular stuff.
Oh, okay.
And see how it goes.
Okay, y'all.
You ain't got nothing?
Not my NW45.
So just, I think you could do it, Wookie. I do. I know.
Okay.
The look on your face telling me no.
Okay. All right. Okay, I'm just going to do it. But I'll just add a little more to those areas.
We see our dark spots as more.
You right, but that ain't my makeup, no makeup look. All right, y'all. So this is going to be a real Fenty thing because I forgot my foundation.
You want to try to use one of them LA color ones?
The LA color?
Yeah, I wear it.
Sorry for the noise. She's cooking too.
Oh, I'm making breakfast, y'all.
You're making breakfast. So, LA colors. Yeah, because okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to just do the Fenty. And if I don't like it, I'm going to go get some stuff to put on here. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. That's all right. So, you're supposed to use your hands with this. And so we're just going to go in. If I, and I can't see either, so, yeah. But we're going to go in. Here it is. Here you go. Here you go. And I'm going to use, just drip it like that's, it's like that consistency. I don't know if you see it or not, but it's that consistency. Alright, but I'm going to put a little more. And I'm just going to go in on this side. Do you see that? Okay, okay.
It's like water.
Like, what happens is you'll see it when you first put it on, but you guys, like, it just melts into the skin. Like water. Yeah, like she said, like water. It just melts in there, and it's amazing.
And that's what the lady at the Sephora said too. She was just like, she said it's blurry, but it's not like it's like, This ain't Estee Lauder.
No, this ain't the Estee. You know what I think this is though? You know what I think this is?
What?
I think this, like I told you earlier, this is like the powder in a liquid form. Powder in a liquid form. How's it looking on me?
Girl, it do cover your dark spots.
It does.
It does. It does. It probably is not the coverage that you want.
Yeah, it's not the coverage I like.
Because you like, we discussed this, you like full coverage.
Yeah.
But it's, to me, even with you rubbing it in now, like, it's very smooth.
Yeah.
It does give that blurring effect. It's
now you get to see what I saw.
Yeah, on the opposite side, it's very, like, I know what you're thinking, but it's smooth. It's very much so smooth. Everything with you.
Okay. Since you put it that way.
Yeah, like it's just smooth. Like
some people just need a little confirmation.
Yeah. So you know the look I told you I was going for? Stop there.
Don't put them on.
No.
It's good.
You are.
I was gonna stop there anyway.
Your skin, but better.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. Okay, let me tell y'all something. You wanna know what I see? Nice looking skin, long as you moisturize really good. But I see the Fenty powder after it melts in your skin, or if you put Matte Fix Plus on it. That's what I see. I don't know. If you got it, let me know. Did I say Fix Plus?
You did.
No. I mean, it looks like the Fenty powder. It looks like the Fenty powder, Pro Filter powder. And my niece, she put the Pro Filter powder on top of this.
Like a setting powder.
As like a setting powder, and I think that works. Like with all the Fenty powders, just go and get, if you want a little more coverage with all the other foundations, just put that powder on top of it. And those two together, these two together are the perfect match. You hear me? You got little patties.
Because of your hands.
Yeah, get these or something if you already got them for your hands because you're putting it on like lotion. And so now I'm just gonna go finish the rest of my makeup.
She'll be back.
And I'll be back. But I really think this is just Pro Filter powder in liquid form. And then in that way, I think this is even like I think this is faster than this. This is a lot faster than this because you put it on like lotion on your face and keep it moving. So we'll be back. I'll bring my niece back to do a final review with me. and we'll let you all know our final thoughts. Alright, y'all, so I just finished my brows. I only did soap brows, put on some lip gloss, a tad bit of bronzer, and some mascara and some eyeshadow, and that's it. This is truly a no makeup look for me. I'll show you a picture before and after so you can see what it looks like, but I'll be back in about 2-3 hours after my meeting and show you how it lasted. We're only going to be in the house over Zoom, so we're not going to go anywhere messing with the natural elements or anything. But how long does it last just sitting around? Most people work in an office, so when they go to work in an office, they're not leaving outside or running inside and outside. They're sitting down in an environment with AC as well. So I'm going to that's the air fryer, sorry if you hear the noise, but I'll be back and show you how it held up and give my niece and I, we will give our final
back after our meeting. And look, I'm over here, I done took over her channel, y'all, but anyway, I love the foundation. For me, I usually use a lot of heavy makeup, and I'm looking for something that's a little more natural every day. I'm gonna have to start going back into the office soon, and I would like to have something that's like, it don't look like I'm going to your wedding or to like a dinner date every time I put my makeup on. So this is good for me. I really like it. It's very lightweight. I use the same primer and foundation combo as her. I really like that primer. I used to have that milk one. I think it is a dupe. Of course, you know, I know more towards the end of the day, but I cooked. So I made us breakfast and I ran around the house a little bit, and I still feel like I look good, like I look presentable. I could go out and do some things still, and we probably will because we still have some stuff to do today. But I like the foundation, guys. It's very breathable too. I don't feel like icky. So I would recommend, go for it.
And for me, I feel like same exact comments. I watched her put hers on first, and then I was like, take it back. Take it back.
You did.
I
you didn't give it a chance.
I was like, nah, take it back. And then when she put on the whole face, I'm like, oh, because I never watched any YouTube videos on it. I heard about it, but I didn't want to watch any YouTube videos on it. I wasn't interested in it. But like I said, I didn't have any foundation. And I said, let me just try it. And we are the same color. And then, you know, once I put it on, to me, like I said, I feel like it's like the powder version of the Pro Filter. Mm-hmm. Just the powder version of it, if you just do like 1 or 2 coats of that filter without a sponge, just with a brush. Yeah, it's very light. It still looks good. It covered up like my blemishes. It blurred them. It didn't cover them up. It blurred them to not make them so prominent. Yeah, mm-hmm. But on her it looked real. She doesn't have like acne scars, so it just gave her a blur effect, like a real nice smooth effect. Very nice, and so it's a true no makeup look.
Yeah, I still, you know, and I still have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, and so that peeks through, but I don't mind. Again, like I said, I'm going for what is it, like a your skin but better. So not like, you know, mm-hmm. just something smooth, you guys. All right. So my final thoughts: buy it. I would definitely say buy it. It is not a waste of money. If you have the powder, it's like, I feel like you could wear that foundation or wear this foundation and then touch up with the powder. Like it's like a if you get oily throughout the day, I'll let I can add in her comments if I get oily in my T-zone or anything like that, because that's my problem area. So if that starts pushing throughout the day, I'll let you guys know in her comments. But I would definitely say buy. I like it.
Sorry, I'm looking at the monitor, watching her give her comment. But yes, I would say, for me, if you have the Pro Filter powder and you light-handed with that, you don't need this. If you find the Pro Filter powder is too slow and you need something ready to go really fast, buy it. It's just smooth like lotion. It'll give you that same look, just smooth like lotion. Just put it on there, 2 coats maybe, throughout the whole face, and you'll have like kind of almost that same look, and then you can spot conceal. Mm-hmm. Or if you have the Fenty matte full coverage matte foundation, liquid matte, use 2 pumps for the whole face and you can still get the same look. So that's how I feel. Or if you got, you know, if you where the money reside and you got it like that and you just want to buy all of the Fenty products, go ahead, go for it. That's for you. That's what you do, you know.
What did you say? You said Fenty is like
Fenty is like the modern day Mary Kay. You got one, you got them all. You just a full Fenty supporter.
Buy it all, y'all. Buy it all.
Fenty strong game. But yes, or gang. Yes, it's up to you. Do what you want to do. Like I said, I used her stuff. So she bought it, so I didn't have to.
Out of control. Out of control. It was a well worth buy though, so it's okay.
All right, y'all. Well, thank you, for joining us today, and we just hope you really enjoyed our thoughts on it. And if you have bought it, and just tell us how you feel in the comments below.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.